Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? It's a really good news, my friend, for all Polygon holder, because my brother, after a very bad fails, my friend, you can see here this time Polygon will starting moving up for now. So congratulations, my brothers, to the coin is completely starting in the profit now. Definitely it's all credit, my friend, goes to my friend's short-term investor. If you are investor in those days, so definitely, my friend, this is possible. Otherwise this is impossible, my brothers, to we do it. So holders, one thing I want to tell you, my brother, and this time especially a lot of holders ask me this question to what we need to do when my friend, you can see here this time when they will fail us down. So holder, I will answer you when they will fail us down. So you cannot decide this, my friends, so what we need to do. But my brother, when the juice is going down, so absolutely a lot of holder, my friend, every holder will my friend starting helping now. So therefore, my brother, Polygon is one of the stable coin in of a crypto market, but definitely, my friend, it's time they will fail us down. So we need to do help, my brother, because this will be very important, my friend, for all of you now. So holder, this time you can see my prediction is completely going to be positive now, because after this fails, you can see, my brother, they will starting moving upward now. So congratulations, my brothers, to after fails they will take a very huge jump now. Alright, my brother, my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. This will be very important now. Share your opinion, and please, my brother, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care.